food sharing time. Today, I will talk about a very spicy traditional dishes, boat noodles. Boat noodles start from the floating market in Thailand. Share would share noodles on small boats because the spice on the boat was so small. They used small boats, which made it easier to eat. Even though I can't visit the floating market today, don't worry. Let me take you on a journey through small video and stores to discover the charm of boat noodles.
Damostake floating market is the largest floating market in Thailand, with over 100 years of history. In the past, this market was built for farmers and fishermen to trade goods. Today, it has become a popular tourist attraction. Here is what the floating market looked like in 2018, and here is how it looked like in 1968. You can see how much it has changed over the years. In the video, the person asked if boat noodles are made of rice noodles, and the answer is yes.
Now, let's take a look at the floating markets in Thailand and see how boat noodles are connected to this unique culture. How are these noodles made? Why are they so important to Thai people? Let's explore through some interesting cases.
The name Silik means thin rice noodles, and the name means soup. Together, it means rice noodles in soup. He ordered the most common type. Now, let's see how boat noodles are made. First, add hot soup. Then put in rice noodles or bean soups. Finally, add toppings like peanuts, chili, and other seasonings. That's it. A taste bowl of boat noodles is ready. Boat noodles got their name because they are made and eaten in bottles. Many people think Thai noodle soup is not, but boat noodle soup is not water. Its taste is made and is different from beef soup. Finally, he showed pork soup with green onions and bean soups. Boat noodles started because people lived in or traded on boats. The small size made it easy to eat and clean on the boat.
Look at the bowl of boat noodles. Can you feel how spicy it is? Even though it's just a small bowl of noodles, it carries a big story about the Thai culture. The soup is made from pork or beef balls and mixed with spices. The noodles are soft and the meat is tender. Everything is served in a small bowl, which makes it so fun to eat. If you ever visit Thailand, I really recommend trying boat noodles at a floating market. I'm sure it will be an unforgettable food experience. Thank you for watching and see you next time.